then go to Tata. Udi atom ga wa ko ngororo. Ni ana atebe. Agari sa hete powder Morgan. Ade te powder no kem. Oh, the ogam na ato tente bo no down. How man on ninja boys. Man na agwam ga school. I don't know school.
Guarantee.
Me am ba go train na school.
Listen. Without education, you are limited to some certain things. So many things, in fact, in life. You see, all these people you mentioned, Bruce Lee, Jackie Chan, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Steven Seagal, people like Prince Val, they all went to school.
Huh?
Yes. You have to go to school.
Chiko. They them commando.
Yes.
Me him name Agla school.
Yes.
Even Prince Val.
Yes, they are all graduates. You must pass through school. If not, you will be limited. You gotta find in life. You have to go to school, and that is why you have me. I will sponsor you. You go to school. Okay? Why are you crying?
I don't make a school. I don't want to go to school. I don't want to go to school.
Why?
What am I going to my position? I will come to tell you. I don't know what to. I don't make a school. I don't know what to. I want to capture you. I don't capture you. I don't know commando. I don't know commando. I don't make a school.
It's okay. Okay, Igawo commando, eh? That's why you have me. You will be commando, you will be a celebrity, I assure you that, I promise you that, huh? But Igaga school, okay? Oga dirigi easy. School abro nke Igaga, I will take you to a place is gonna be convenient for you, okay? Igaga school, oh? Igaga school, Igaga school. Commando, Hanine. Gadina Borogisian. Huh? Yes.
Akwụkwọ dịkwa mkpa onye ọbụla dị ndụ kwesịrị ije akwụkwọ. Akwụkwọ dịkwa mkpa onye ụjọ akwụkwọ. Theophilus nwoke dị mma bịa. Akwụkwọ dịkwa mkpa onye ụjọ akwụkwọ. Theophilus piano na akwụkwọ dịkwa mkpa onye ụjọ akwụkwọ. Theophilus nwa dị mma piano ihe bụ akwụkwọ ọkọlọkọ onye ụjọ akwụkwọ.
Theophilus. Theo. Theo. Theophilus. Ha. Morgan, what is it? Why are you like this? It's not like you. What is the problem? Hey, Theophilus, what is it?
There's no problem. I want to go back to school. I want to go to school.
You want to go back to school? You, Theophilus?
Yes, ma'am.
Wants to go back to school?
Yes, ma'am. As I don't say, I'm saying, if I don't go to school, I don't go for art movie actor. If I don't go to school, nothing will I go for do. Now when there is still time, I want to go to school. Make I start from daytime, they look for the black goat before they go dark. As my brother don't tell me, say, without no education, say my film no go sweet. All those big English where they speak for him. I no go fit speak am.
Are you serious or you are pretending?
I'm serious.
Stop crying. Tomorrow, I will look for a better school and register you there. Stop crying.
Tomorrow is too far. This is almost after 10. We must still meet up. I want to start now. I want to start today. Time no day.
Stop crying. Stop crying.
I want to go to school. I want to go to school.
Stop crying. Oh, stop crying. Ebezina. You go back to school. Oh, let me change my clothes. So that we'll go to that my friend, that principal, my friend. I will go and beg her. Oh, she will take. I'm sure she will take you. Let me change my clothes so that we can start going. You don't want to walk in the I'm coming.
Done. Yes. From the entrance test conducted on him, I think he's ready to learn. He's very, very ready to learn.
Theo.
We will register him immediately.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
My brain don't open.
Your brain don't open.
So you have to come with me to the office. There's acceptance form to fill.
Theo.
Mama, I don't have it. Mama.
You are ready, eh?
You want it? I told you you got it.
No. So what your lunch box, eh? Here is your food. During break time, you take your food and eat. And when you are thirsty, you take your water. Oh? No. Ya wufukwana. Okwa jina agwa. Oh?
She finished the food, yes?
Yes, now. And take this money in case you want to buy a bubble or biscuit, anything. You use it and buy it.
Thank you, ma.
Another thing, Theophilus. Biko. Obey your teachers. You are there to learn. Don't look for trouble. Oh? Biko.
You know me now. I know they find trouble. Waiting carry me go there now to learn book and become actor.
Yes.
Anybody will find my trouble, I no go even look at.
Avoid that person.
If person slap me, I go just close my eyes. Do na hana na one monster. I go just go. Thank you.
Be a good boy.
Yes,
be a good boy. Oh. Don't forget to copy your note and come home with your homework. Yes, because I know they normally give you people homework.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Oh,
yes.
Be a good boy, you.
What happened? Why is you looking me?
What do make you the shout now? Who go see Malu for early in the morning? We no go look Malu from head to toe. Maku hiyiri. Hiyiri akwa abagra na starch otu eguzuro. Maku uku da roza. Onye isi ndu nne ha akwa agụ kwaga gị n'ime agbada. Anụ ka ikute jego otu ekikuku aja ọnụma. Gị gbara jakadị. Agbaje ga wilo n'ụzọ ịbịa ga school. Why no go look you? Eh? Why no go look you?
Hey! For this school, I don't mark your face. I mark your face again. Me my face na to school. You call me idiot. What means what idiot go? In a hono carpet rug.
What do make you the back like dog now? Just because I say you be empty boss. You need to work empty boss. You mark my face. I know they take nonsense. So now I be oh. Forget say I can't enter this kind of regalia. Come here, mono as an area. I didn't even wood. Now after I be oh. If I no go learn taekwondo for you, give me monyoshi.
You won't go learn. Me, I don't learn finish. Ngwache can buy the give him uba. You be actor, me I be actress. I be actress.
Make it the really hell.
I
thought it come no. Commando. Commando ri come no. Makachine ke ese ga agula.
Mbanyam style.
Ese ga agula na.
You go dimia.
Ese ga agula na. Ese ga agula na. Jenmo.
Oh.
Jenmo. Make it check a lot.
Come where go rock walk on here. You saw good. You saw no. I don't mark your face. You what? Hey!
Yeah. TWO. If I leave you, go touch my teeth. I can't keep on my school. I don't feel stay here. Why would you never come greet me? Not be school like her. I don't like her. Me, I don't go stay there. I don't go stay there. You said I did that Malu go there. Me, I don't come and get me a man.
Two plus. What is wrong with you?
I don't feel enter there. I don't go feel stay there. Why they go come greet me? Good morning, sir. Who my husband have a good school? And I tell him good morning, sir. And you can't carry that fatty bombo. Put on there, so we can go sit down near them. Come back. Instead of me to stay there, I go back for village. I go and continue what I did before. I don't go stay there.
Are you not there when the principal asked you to follow me to my class? This is your class now.
Put me where I go there with the children, not be where I go there with that horrible. That elephantitis.
Hey! Asuno. Calm down. You want more rubber? Now you dey call Malu.
You know be what you be?
You dey call me fatty bomb.
What do you be?
You want yara o?
Dorcas, calm down. He's a new student.
Give away me. You not there when they call me fatty bomb. They call me Malu. You. Okay? You think I want them to say class?
It's okay.
This your ugly face.
Don't try it. Me, I don't feel enter that class. I'm not going to enter that class. I'm not going to enter that class. Yeah, you never forget. What do you do? Mike. If you try, I will show you side be ninja boy.
You be ninja boy.
I will show you side be ninja boy. No, try me. No, try me. I will give it.
What is wrong with you? Kedu ife na-eme gị Theophilus? Your first day in school, you have started fighting. Theophilus, I thought you said, anybody that will for my trouble, I will just say, na monster. Amen. Did you forget? Theophilus, what is wrong with you, this boy?
What did I do? Somebody will go fat, hotel, come be like Malu. You can't see me in the morning, can't they look me, they look at me, they look me. You can't say, I go follow fence, go. Before you know it, hotel, yeah, my name Jackson. Why? Before you know it, she don't do like this, bear. That she go run my thing. Something where you know, say, I dey pray, make the thing, bagote inside. She can't say she go come out. Now she put on there. What you carry her eye go here? Or we have in our school?
Theophilus, listen to yourself. Listen to yourself, Theophilus. You said you wanted to go to school and learn. Why can't you concentrate to whatever your teacher is teaching you? Why can't you? Why are you looking at the girl? If she's fat, like Maru, like whatever.
I don't look at mo. I don't look at mo.
You don't look at.
Na like this I dey look. Oh, she dey like this. Me I come dey look like this. So she come my front say, why you dey look me? As man why I be, I no go keep quiet. Me woman intimidated me. Him say I mean, why you dey look me too? Say you don't mark my face. I don't mark your face. You go follow face go. You go do me like this. Make I come close mouth. Make I come close mouth. Make that CWO woman come overshadow me. I go that walk. I got come in at the same class. I tell this I no go enter that class. Mind the teacher come flog me. Makachine kagma I be buye. Want to buye tembula losing. Later I find my trouble again. I can't come and do quiet whole talk that like come.
Theophilus, I thought you said, on your own, that you want to go to school so that you can become a good actor. For the sake of that actor you want to be, can't you bear all this? Put them behind you, concentrate, learn. Don't look at that Maru, that CWO woman. Don't look at her. Focus. Theophilus, focus. I'm tired though.
The focus, and that girl focus up. I dey focus so.
One problem you have, Bona, ITK. Imwele ITK. Theophilus, imwele ITK.
Akushi do kura CRK. Time what do you hear the quote? Ma akushi dey papa me. You no go na akushi him na ma di home. They no teach us CRK anything.
CRK. Did you hear me say CRK? I said ITK. I too know is your problem. That is your problem. Keep disgracing yourself. Keep disgracing yourself. If you continue like this, if for that actor you will not be that actor. And I will be here. I will be laughing at you. Okay, lady. Your first day in school, keep Bruno Ogunisi when I can say for 1 week. So Chineke my hair man. You said you want to be an actor. How can you be an actor if you don't focus, if you don't learn anything? How is that possible? Can you read the heading at the akwụkwọ? Focus! You are there to learn. Focus. Focus! I'm ashamed of you.
They know they fight inside film. If I fight for school finish, I go carry and enter film. Make she try me tomorrow. Makachine can play now. Money am go na school. Ma go there kwash am brote. Kwajo any map. I go look for big stone hotel pack am for my school bag. Anything wey see me up. Yinga I na school wo tem ko te ya mana tamuni awu de bri. We dem na ndem ma. We go minute you to ebute na school so be go school. O ma si be no ngaji aboso nwa. I bet there for husband house dey born pikin ya obre go nonsense where her brain don block finish. Yeah girl. Ask me where. Oh, more like an abram.
I can't thank you enough.
Thank me for what?
You don't know what you did for me, Imagine Theo, on his own, decided to go back to school.
Don't be smart.
I thought he was joking, Piam. Go ready. Theo in school. It's
okay.
Thank you so much.
Family. There's no problem there. It's okay.
I know, man. I'm not
Yes, sir. Sure.
Thank you so much. Amen.
Okay.
Follow here. Pico. When you go back to the city, don't forget to check up on us.
Also, that one no problem.
Hey, came on me, bro.
Yes.
April. Or that no.
Normal. Yes. So bad there. All right.
Thank you so much. Hey. Oh, now I'm going to bye, yo. Oh, bye.
Please.
Both of you should stop there. Huh? Why are you people coming to school by this time?
Time don't go. What's be time?
Past 8.
Time come Godona. Who come late? Sorry, who come
on team.
Look at what people are speaking. Look at you. Besides, why didn't you put on your PE? What happened to your PE uniform?
I just say school uniform, na school uniform. How about to here?
PE more AP, hancha wotu.
Dorcas, today is Wednesday, not Tuesday. You should have come to school with your PE, not this thing.
My own dirty. My mama no wash her, now you make her wear this one.
Wait though, your own is dirty, and your mother did not wash it. That's why you put on this one. You are a disgrace. So as big as you are, your mother still wash your clothes.
No, be she say make I go learn book. All her
irresponsibility
to do it.
Me, I'm not the bendo okay. Me let the PM. Teach me PM no.
You are stupid.
Thank you.
You are stupid. Anyway, I don't have your time. People should follow me. You are going to kneel down and beg those students. In fact, you are going to beg them. Tell them sorry for coming late. Nonsense. Follow me.
Yeah.
I said follow me. Stop talking. Rubbish. Dorcas.
Makadini ana makwụkwọ ha na-erubisi ha na-atụkwa egwu Chineke ziga m international model school Baba ziga m international model school Baba ziga m international model school Makadini ana makwụkwọ ha na-erubisi ha na-atụkwa egwu Chineke ziga m international model school.
It's okay, students. Oh yeah, you people should tell them sorry for coming late. Nonsense. Tell them sorry for coming late. Tell them sorry.
No, nah. I cannot do it. Umumbanshin.
Theo.
Go hard though. You think go hard though.
Before the count of 2. Theo, what?
Tell
them sorry.
Tell them sorry.
Sorry. Sorry.
Jesus, I love you.
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 I am sorry, Lord. I am sorry, Lord. This is my return. Ayo. I am sorry, Lord. Ayo. I am sorry, Lord. This is my return. I am sorry, Lord. It's a ka pam 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 titing pam 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 titing pam pam kan 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 kan.
What is wrong with you? Old cagoos, look at you fools. Why you enter to the line? Just lost, you are making noise. Body left, mark time.
Left, right.
Want to go?
Left, right.
Yes?
Left, right.
Today is bright.
It's bright and fair. A very happy day. Today of joy. Today is bright and fair. A very happy day of joy. Today is bright and fair. A very happy day. Today of joy. Today is bright and fair. A very happy day of joy.
Gift. How are you?
Welcome.
Where are you guys going to?
We are coming from somewhere.
You guys are growing. How is your mom?
Fine,
She's fine.
sir. Brother, you know we barely get to see you, so now that we've seen you, can we please just have one picture with you?
Picture.
Yes, so that we'll tell our friend that we know
I'm
a celebrity.
brother.
It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you, brother.
Take care of yourself.
Celebrity. Brother.
Brother, there's something I've been meaning to tell you.
What's that?
You know we barely see you, so now that I've seen you, you know you are a celebrity. We used to watch you on TV and everybody in this village know you. Even in Obodo Igbo, they know you. So I want to. Okay, we both of us, me and Gift, want to become a celebrity. We want to join Nollywood.
Want to be acting with you.
Yes, want to act.
You want to act?
Yes.
Want to be.
Can you
Want
guys
to be
act?
seen.
Brother, act. We can act.
Okay.
We can act very well.
If you want me to act
for you
now,
we'll give it to you.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, you know what? You guys should come to the house
what time?
in the evening.
We'll
I'm
come,
rushing.
brother.
I'm rushing up somewhere right
Thank you.
now.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Take care of yourself.
All right.
My regards to your mom.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you, brother.
Celebrity, here we come.
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you.